Hey Sean, what's the difference between wills and trusts?
So there's a couple of differences between a will and a trust. A will is public information. A will must go through probate court, which probate court is a type of court that determines who's the rightful owner of assets, a person's assets, upon a person's deceased. A living trust is a private document. Secondly, it's also intended to be effective while you're alive, where a will takes effect upon your death. So the other difference too is a lot of times if somebody dies and the property's in their name, they've got to go to probate court. And like, for example, let's say they had a lease, a car lease or a car loan, and there's 3 years left on that loan. With the will, you've got to pay those expenses through probate court. Where with the trust, everything passes to somebody else, a beneficiary upon a death. And you don't have to pay all that person's bills. So a lot of times, the will must be probated. You've got attorney fees, you've got court costs, you got to pay the deceased person's bills, where with the trust, it's a private document. Secondly, it's designed to avoid probate court. And in addition to that, you can set your kids up to where they get the money at a certain age where you can't really do that with a will. I mean, you can, but it's much more difficult. You've got to go to court to do that. So the benefit of a trust is it's more cost effective and it gives you peace of mind.